Right guys, so I promised in the review when we're going to change the tires, and here we have the tires. So as you can see, this one is pretty okay, this one is very bad. I mean, it really needed change like this. So we've managed to do a total of 40,000 miles on it. Check the odometer on the other videos that we have on the channel, and you will be seeing when we install them, the mid video, and now you can see 75,375 miles on the odometer when we have replaced them. To be honest with you, it's quite unexpected. I'm gonna be honest with you, considering that these are like all-season tires. Hey, I think, you know, they lasted pretty well, and you know, I would say the price was quite decent. We are going to see another video where we are going to show you these new baby boys. We got some new tires from Mazzini, and I'll show you how this well, how much they costed and all that, and we're going to review these tires as well.
As you can see, this tire is pretty worn, exceptionally worn on the side, I would say, but apparently that's somehow normal-ish. And not just that, but this one had, well, had a screw in there. Lucky me.
Right guys, so all in all, I wanted to take a couple of moments just to kind of say that I was very happy with these ROTALLA tires. Again, 40k, 40,000 miles on, you know, all season tires. I've been, you know, going through cold conditions. I've been going through, like, you know, the pits of hell type of hot conditions as well. And obviously I've been driving a lot regularly in the UK, and hey, 40k, it's just fine. Imagine if you're gonna have to change your tires and swap them around between winter tires and summer tires all the time. It's not just about the money itself, because that obviously matters, but also think about the time that you have to spend in order to kind of change them all the time. Imagine you're gonna have to swap them twice every year. So hey, you know what, all in all, good price, good value for the money, and I hope these Mazzini tires are going to be a good price per value as well. And I will strongly suggest you guys to see the video about Mazzini tires, and you know, we're gonna do reviews about these Mazzinis, you know, regularly as well, about 2, 3, 4 videos, whatever, on the lifespan of those tires, and hopefully they're gonna last us, you know, another 40k. That would be just fantastic. Anyway guys, if you haven't, you know, subscribed yet to this channel and you haven't liked the video yet, please subscribe, like the video and all that, and hopefully that's gonna help other people in deciding to see the video, and you know, the video is gonna get pushed into the YouTube algorithm. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye now.